Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an inside door handle on this 2008 Equinox. Same as any 05 to 09 Equinox, and the process is basically the same for any door, and it's also similar for the Pontiac Torrent. Tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, 10mm socket and a ratchet with an extension, a door panel clip tool or putty knife, and a T30 Torx driver.
If you look in behind your door handle, there's a Phillips screw. Start by removing that. Okay, and then the front, you just pry a little bit with a screwdriver, unclips, and then pull it off. Okay, carefully with the screwdriver, start in the back on this piece of trim here, and pull out. You just kind of work your way, and eventually you'll pop the clips loose. And one last one. Right up closer to the front here. Okay. And then that comes out. Right inside here, there's two 10mm bolts. Remove those.
Okay, use a little fast forward as we take those bolts out, and you'll see us do this a lot with redundant steps in the video.
Okay, right up here, if you get your finger under there underneath or use a screwdriver, pull out on this panel. Okay, and then it connects to a little speaker. You just pull that connection apart. Take that down. Now the panel is held in by a series of clips. Door panel clip tool is the right tool. If you only have a putty knife, you can actually see the first one. Pull the panel out a little bit. Get right down next to that clip that you can see right down in there. Okay. Pull with the knife and the panel at the same time. Okay. I pop two out there on that one. Keep going down so you feel the next clip. Same thing. And go all the way around.
Okay, just speed it up here as I work my way around with all the clips.
Once you release the panel around the edges, just grab the top firm, and you pull, and it comes out.
Okay, and you'll want to pull the water shield back. Do it carefully. You want to save this because it does protect the inside of your panel from getting water, and it reduces some noise, but just pull it down far enough so you can get the door handle.
And then right here there's a T30 Torx bit. Okay. Remove that. Actually lock the door, get that rod out of the way. Okay, that was unlocked. And on your lock switch here, there's a couple tabs on top. Push those down, pull the top out, and then there's a tab right back here. The harness hooks in, just press that tab and unhook your harness. Okay. Now your handle comes forward and off the door. Unclip these rods from there. Okay, in the back of the handle, you have to pry these clips off. Okay, and then pull the rod up and out. Blade screwdriver, reach back here. Pry those clips Not always easy. Okay. Get that one off. Okay. And this one down here, just gonna get my thumb. Get that one off. And the door handle comes off. Okay. Obviously put it back on. Put this one in. Put it down into its hole. Flip the clip around. Flip it on. This one goes up from the bottom. Flip the clip around. Clip it on. Okay, there's slots that go into, or tabs that go into slots in the door here. Put them in. Slide it back. Okay, again, you can lock it. Gives you good access to this hole. T30 screw. Make sure it's going in straight. Okay. Put those back in there. Take your lock switch, put it in, and then connect it. And put your water shield back on. Okay, put the door panel back on. It's pretty easy. There are tabs that go in right up here. So you basically kind of put the door panel on. You can peek back there a little bit. Guide it into place. Make sure you don't lock the door. Okay. How much once you get one, get them all. Firm fist. Pull those clips in. Two 10mm bolts. Put the bezel back in. Okay. Put the front in first. Okay, the screw. If you have a magnetic screwdriver, that's the best thing. Otherwise, just kind of carefully place it in there. Get it up nice and firm. Okay, this panel, put the front in first. Just kind of peek in back here. Make sure everything's going in okay. Make sure that's pressed in and goes into the panel. Plug in our speaker again. Okay. Put it down on the door panel first. And you can see the clip right there. And you're all set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.